If you don't have a specific play kitchen in your house, or if you do but you'd just like to try something different, I'm going to show you how you can set up some easy kitchen role play using items that you already have in your house. I've set up my kitchen on a sofa because I really like the way it makes a big open work surface kind of space, and it's also a real child friendly height. You could also try setting this up on a couple of dining chairs like I have here, because again it makes a nice flat surface at a child friendly height. So as you can see, I've set this up using some pots and pans and some real utensils from my kitchen. I've also included things like empty cartons and boxes that might have otherwise ended up in the recycling bin, but they're really great for play. I've also made, out of an empty cereal box, just this little cooker, which I've drawn the hob rings and drawn some little controls for, which I can place my saucepan on and pretend play heating something up. As today is pancake day, I've got my frying pan and some little circles of cardboard that I've cut out to make pancakes to put in my pan, so I can pretend play making pancakes. You can try doing things like flipping them and throwing them up and catching them in the pan and turning them over. You can talk about things such as, my pancake is a circle, and my pan is a circle, and my hob is a circle. This circle is smaller and this circle is bigger. If you were to try this activity after making pancakes, it gives your child an opportunity to expand on their learning, trying to recreate what they've seen happen in reality through their play. To extend this activity even further, you could try adding small amounts of real food. It won't matter that it's not a lot. I've literally just put in a small handful of pasta here. It's not about the quantity, it's more of a symbolic gesture for the children. They can try pouring it from one container into another, and it really adds a whole nother dimension to the role play when they've got a real food to cook. It might be helpful for you to share this play idea with others too. For example, this is really good for children who love kitchen play at home, but when they're being cared for at another family member's house, they don't have the toys for it there.